Okay, let's do a few examples on comparisons with percent. The directions are telling us calculate how many percent taller the taller object is compared to the shorter object. So the difference between these two trees would be, we would do is 8 meters minus 6 meters, which would give us 2 meters. So that's the difference right there. So we would put the difference as our numerator. And for reference, we want to compare it to the shorter 6 meters. So 6 meters would be our denominator. Now we reduce this fraction to 1/3, and then we just do is 1 divided by 3, which is going to give us 0.33, and then we have to multiply that by 100, which is going to give us 33.3% as our final answer to this question right here. Okay, here we plant is 12 centimeters tall and the other is 16 centimeters tall. How many percent is the shortest plant's height of the taller plant's height? So first we're looking at the shorter plant's height since it's listed first. So we look at first we list 12 centimeters and the taller one is 16 centimeters. See, as how many percent is the shorter plant's height of the taller plant's height. So we're going to be looking for see how many percent is the shorter plant's height compared to the taller plant's height. So what we basically do is reduce this to 6/8. Still could reduce that to 3/4. So we have 3/4. Now that we just what we do is 3 divided by 4, which give us 0.75, and you multiply that by 100, of course, and you should get 75% as your final answer for this one. So 75% is the shorter plant's height of the taller plant's height. So 75%. Now the next one is how many percent is the taller plant's height of the shorter plant's height. So first we put the taller one now, which is 16, over the 12, which is the shorter. So you do the same thing. So 4 goes into 16 4 times and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So we have 4/3. So what you basically do is 4 divided by 3, and you multiply that answer by 100 to get your percentage, which you would eventually get is 133.3% as your final answer. Okay, the next one is asking how many percent taller is the taller plant than the shorter plant. So we need to find the difference. So between 16 and 12, the difference is 4, so our difference is going to be 4, and that's our numerator. And we're comparing to the smaller plant, so that would be 12, smaller plant. So we just reduce this to 1/3, and we just do is 1 divided by 3, which is going to give us 0.33, and you multiply that by 100, which is going to give us it's going to give us 33.3% as our final answer for this one. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have how shorter is the shorter plant than the taller plant. So we're going to be the difference is 4. Now we're going to be comparing the taller plant, which is 16, so we put taller here for our denominator. So we reduce this to 1/4, and we just do is 1 divided by 4, and that's going to give us 0.25, and you just multiply that by 100, which is going to give us 25% as our final answer to this question right here. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of doing here.